PLUG stock analysis next week. And this is pretty much Monday, right? Am I buying or am I not? 5th of May and onward, let's talk about it. Generally speaking, it's not really a buy. First thing on the list is I've done well over 40K videos and I've seen what's actually making me money and what's not. Second thing, even when you look at plug power, this thing has been just melting. And just when you combine everything, you know, there's two games in trading. There's managing, getting inside a trade game, and there's managing the trade game. First thing on the list is going to be, yes, we've been kind of melting down very, very much. And honestly speaking, if I see it just, it's just a guaranteed break even. It's like risk free, right? Because we've gotten the double break. All I'm like literally waiting for is for this to either take the lows out and I walk away with the money or hit the break even. Nothing in between. So this is generally, I mean, how my predictions looking like. I've had some other receipts which are on my YouTube channel and so much more in my Discord. But other than that, if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.